Hi children, I welcome back you to the class 6th standard Unit 4 Part C Tanazi Malsare or Tanazi Malsari. As it is a noun, we can pronounce according to our regional dialect. Tanazi Malsare. Now let us see a brief summary. Tanazi Malsare was a brave Maratha warrior and a friend of Shivaji. To fulfill the wish of Jijabai, Shivaji's mother, Tanazi took Shivaji's favorite Gopad and some soldiers. They reached the Simhagat, the lion fort, to conquer it on a cold, clear and moonless night in February 1670. So in this slide, we understand three major points. The first point, Tanazi Malsare was a brave warrior and he was a friend of Shivaji. Second one, here Tanazi wanted to fulfill the wish of Jijabai. Then who was Jijabai here? Jijabai was Shivaji's mother. So Tanazi wanted to fulfill the wish of Shivaji's mother because Tanazi was a friend of Shivaji. So Tanazi took Shivaji's favorite Gopad and some soldiers. Next one, Tanazi and some soldiers and Gopad, they reached the Simhagat, the lion fort, to conquer it on a cold, clear and moonless night. It shows that Tanazi reached the Simhagat lion fort on a cold, clear and moonless night to conquer it. After a lengthy fight, the Marathas conquered the fort. It was a great victory for the Marathas. Tanazi and some of his soldiers climbed the fort with the help of the Gopad. But the guards in the fort detected their arrival. So in this slide, we can learn that after a lengthy fight, it shows there was a very great battle. There was a very great battle. In that lengthy fight, finally, the Marathas conquered the fort. It was actually a great victory for the Marathas. Tanazi and some of his soldiers climbed the fort with the help of the Gopad and they fought like brave lions. But the guards in the fort detected their arrival. It shows that the soldiers, the guards, they did not give win to Marathas easily. So Tanazi fought very bravely. Many of Tanazi's soldiers were still at the bottom of the fort because they were in fight. They are being detected by enemy soldiers and guards. Then Tanazi made up his mind and ordered his troops to launch the attack. So here the soldiers, here Tanazi made up his mind, Tanazi got ready psychologically to attack enemies. He repeatedly sang to keep the spirits of his soldiers high. So he took help of spirits and he took help of Almighty. So he was in full-fledged confidential person in the battle. He fought with Mughal commander Uday Bhan. After a long and vigorous fight, Tanazib fell, never to get up. Marathas won the fort but lost the brave warrior. So in this slide we can understand Tanazib fought with Mughal commander Uday Bhan. We can think that Mughal commander also fought bravely. So here the second point in the slide, Tanazib fell never to get up, means Tanazib died. Because here it is given a vigorous fight. After a long and vigorous fight, Tanazib fell never to get up. Shows that after a long fight, Tanazib died in the war. Marathas won the fort but lost the brave warrior. So here, as per the wish of Shivaji's mother, Jizya Bai, Tanazib fought bravely. Tanazib won the fort, but he was died. He was died in the hands of enemy in the war. So he was remembered as a great warrior in the life of Marathas. So we can think in 2-3 dimensions. Tanazib fought bravely and brought back the fort. Second one, Tanazib fought for his friend. Tanazib fought for his promise. So children, we have to take the courage, the brave, the greatness of Tanazib Malsare in history.